Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to be adding to my house savings and my penny challenge. So if you guys missed my last video, I did get a budget from my job and I did have some money that needed to go to pay taxes, and then the rest of the money is here for stuffing towards my house savings. So these are printables that I got offline. I have these linked in a community tab post if you're interested in downloading them for yourself. It was free, didn't cost me anything. The envelopes that I use are the minis. These I sell in my Etsy shop. I always have a link down below if you guys are interested. This is what house savings is looking like so far. So we are going to be stuffing for week 10 and 11. I realized as I was going through the weeks, since starting on December the 16th, there are a few weeks that I combined weeks worth of money together, so I'm not exactly, at the right weeks. I think I should be, this should be week 13, I believe. So I'm a little off, but that's okay. I've been saving those since December the 16th. And before today's stuffing, I have $2,506 towards a house down payment, which is really exciting. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I've got my cash here, so let's go ahead and count this. I've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. That one's not pointing the right way. Now I've lost count. Let's try that again, Lisa. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 325, and 326. So we've got a lot of money to stuff today. Let's see, and then change, I have 50.72 cents. This I really haven't been contributing to that much. Let's see, I've got 22 cents that I can do. So there's for 22, and then 50 cents, which is going to be this one here. I really haven't had much change to contribute, but as I have change, I'm going to add it. So a little bit added to our change bucket today. And then for house savings, I just want to say you guys will be proud of me. I did not buy the pen organizer. Some of you said, you guys are sweet, like I deserve something, buy it, don't deprive yourself. And then a few of you were like, sounds like an excuse to spend money. And one person said, have you thought about trying Dollar Tree? And I hadn't thought about it. And that's why I ask you guys about these kinds of things, because my thinking is not always the best. So I am happy to report I got 4 really large pen cup holders from Dollar Tree. I also got 3 large dog bowls, like stainless steel bowls for water for the fur babies. My total spent was 900, geez Louise. Y'all, it's early in the morning on Saturday, and I haven't even started my second cup of coffee yet. I spent $9.50, which is a lot better than like the 35 or 40 that pen holder was. So thank you to those of you that called me out. I appreciate you guys keeping me on track. So that was a win. Okay, let's talk about what is going to which week. Now, my kids, we did their birthday party last night, and I gave them each $26 for their birthday because they are turning 26. And I used the 5s and the 1s that I had left from my grocery haul. So I'm a little bit short, but that's okay. I'm not going to try to, you know, cash in a 20 to make it exactly even. It's fine. So for week number 10, I'm going to be depositing $26 into my little envelope here. So that was 26 for this one, and 25 and 26. I'm just going to fold that little guy in half and stuff it into our envelope. And then that gives me, I don't know why I'm going to try to do math this early in the morning, but I think it's 25. Do I have a calculator? I think it's 32. I don't know what I'm trying to do this morning. 2506 plus 26. Yeah, 2532. Math, Lisa. Okay, so that is for week 10. So for this week, we're going to stuff 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. So $300 from my bonus. That is awesome. So that gives me $28.32. And if you guys are new here, my original goal for house saving was to get to 3% of 100,000. So that would be $3,000. And I am going to blow way, way, way past that goal, because my goal is to purchase a house in the next 18 to 24 months. I have a long ways to go still for savings, and so I'm already almost at 3,000. So I'm really excited to see how much I'm able to save between now and the time I'm ready to purchase a house. What else? There was something else I wanted to catch you guys up on. Oh, my taxes. So I shared in my budget video for my bonus that my taxes were right at $1170 or so. I had delinquent taxes for 2014, 2015. So yesterday, as soon as the money hit my account, I waited till 8 o'clock, called the tax assessor in the county I used to live in years ago, and said, I need to take care of this. Let's do this now. So they ran my card. The money came out. I was like, thank you, God. Get that out of the way. I don't want that money hanging out in my account. And it wasn't 5 minutes later, they called me back. And I was like, what in the world? And the gal said, you mentioned that they withheld your taxes, your refund. So I refunded you the tax money that you had paid, because we need to wait for that refund amount to be deposited before we make your payments. They give me my money right back. I have never had the tax man, woman, whatever, say, you know what, we don't want your money right now. Y'all, I told her, I said, I cannot promise I'm going to have this money in a few weeks. Of course, joking. So needless to say, I am Zelled myself $500 this morning to get it out of my account, and I'll have to do that again tomorrow, and then the remainder the third day, because my bank has like a $500 limit for Zelle per day, which is really annoying. But I'm going to get it out of my regular checking and into my Ally account. And so that way, when it is time to pay, I can move it back, and I don't have to worry about accidentally spending it. Having the Ally account has really helped me to stay on track. I haven't been tempted to dip into my savings, and, it's been accruing a lot more interest than it ever did in my regular checking account. I do get paid again this coming Friday, which is really exciting. And so I've got some really fun videos coming out this week, so stay tuned for that. So if you haven't already subscribed, you should do that right now. And if you made it to the end of the video, leave me a money sign or some kind of little money emoji, or emoji with $ eyes down in the comments, so I know that you made it to the end. Because, you know, I always wonder who watches my videos to the end. And don't worry, if you're on your TV, you may not be able to do a comment, but did you know you could subscribe while watching your TV? If you take your remote and hit the little arrow button, you can subscribe right on your TV. And you can even give the video a thumbs up that way too. So you should do that. All right, guys, that's everything for me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.